Hi, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been 30 days since I bought my 2025 RS457, and today the bike is due for its first service. So I'm going to take this bike to the Aprilia service center. The appointment time is around 10 o'clock in the morning, and they promise that they will return the bike by evening, if not tomorrow. So first, let's check the total kilometers covered by me on this bike in the past 1 month. As you guys see, I have covered 887 kilometers so far. So either you have to cover 1000 kilometers or you have to give the bike for service in 30 days. And since the service duration has already arrived, so I thought of giving the bike for service. Alright, let's start the bike. JMB Aprilia service center is located very close to my place. It's a kilometer or something from my home. I have to cross a couple of signals and then I will reach the destination. I have two complaints on this bike. The first issue is that when I'm riding the bike on a flat surface and if I'm applying the brake while engaging the clutch, the bike is good. But if I see a pothole on the road and if I just try to engage the clutch and apply the brakes, and if the bike enters into the pothole area, the surface is uneven, and if I take my bike on an uneven surface and apply the rear brakes by engaging the clutch, then I'm able to feel some jerk or some noise in the rear wheel. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm able to feel that. It's a visible sound on the rear wheel, and this happens especially while engaging the clutch and applying the brake. So that's one issue. The second one is that there is an issue with the lock set on this bike. Since day one, the lock set was a little bit hard, especially when I just tried to side lock the bike. I didn't give major attention to that. I thought it will be okay in few days. But what happened is that yesterday when I just tried to side lock the motorcycle, I was unable to take the key from the bike. I will park the bike on the side of the road and I will show you that. So as you can see here, I just try to turn off the bike turns off, and if I just try to side lock the bike by pushing it here, and I'm just trying to side lock it, but I'm unable to do that. After trying hard, I'm able to lock it. The bike actually locks off now, but I'm unable to remove the key. You see, the bike is actually locked, but it's not completely turning to this end. It should be 90-degree here to take off the key, but it didn't. So this is another issue. Now these are the two issues I need to tell to the Aprilia mechanics while giving the bike for service. Apart from that, the bike is good. No other issues so far. Yes, we have reached the showroom and the service center. So now I'm just going to give my bike for service, and while taking the delivery of the bike, I will continue my vlog. Hi, hello guys. Finally the first service of the 2025 Aprilia RS457 is done, and I'm just going to show you the complete breakup of the first service bill for the RS457. So I guess the video is clear. And here for oil filter they have charged 1184 rupees, and for engine oil they have charged 1872 rupees. So the engine oil which they are using is Castrol Power One Racing 4T 10W50. So this is the engine oil they are using on the RS457 from the factory side. And the additional charges include chain loop, which cost 350 rupees. For chain cleaning they are charging 205 rupees, and for consumables they have charged 450 rupees. So all these additional charges will come around 1000 rupees. This is 1872 and this is 1184. After including the GST, For GST they have charged close to 700 rupees. So including everything, the total bill is 4070 rupees. So 4070 rupees is the amount I paid for the first service. Now let's start the bike and go for a spin. I think I need to refuel the bike. Till now I have covered close to 900 kilometers on this bike, and I haven't rash driven the bike till date since I bought it. When I checked with the mechanic, he told that I'm good to hit the top speed, do the acceleration test since the break-in period is over, as I have completed my first service. As you guys know, I have mentioned two issues when I gave the bike for its first service, and seems like they have sorted out both the issues. The most impressive part about the Aprilia service is the time they have taken. I gave the bike for first service at around 10 o'clock in the morning, and at 3 o'clock I got call from the service center. They told that the bike was ready, and I was totally impressed because they hardly took around 5 hours or something to do the first service. I know that they are just going to change the engine oil filter and water wash the bike, but still 5 hours duration is kind of impressive from my point of view. The first issue which I mentioned about the RS457 is about the side lock problem. What happened is that if I just try to turn off the bike and I just push it and do the side lock, so as you can see here, a rod is coming out to do the side lock. So this has to enter into the hole which is on the handlebar to do the side lock. So if I just try to push it here, see, it just goes inside and I'm good to take the keys. So they have lubricated here, and they told that if I'm facing this issue, I have to adjust the handlebar a little bit. So I just tried the same before giving the bike for service, but I was unable to do that. Even they couldn't do it, they couldn't lock it, but now it's getting locked. See, I just turn it off and it's done. The first issue has been resolved. And for the second issue, they told that they have made some adjustments in the rear disc. So they asked me to test drive the bike and engage the clutch while riding it in the potholes. So I just tried to engage the clutch in a pothole, and I couldn't feel any noise on the rear end of this bike. Considering that, I can say that the issue has been resolved. So if you ask my feedback about the Aprilia service for the RS457, I can say that I'm satisfied with the service. The bike is good, their service is good, and the minor issues has been sorted out. So I'm just going to give a thumbs up for their first service. So with that, I'm just planning to end this video over here. If you have any doubts about my RS457 first service, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your doubts. So see you guys on another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.